Hi there, I'm Tina. Okay, I was a barista for 4 years and absolutely love coffee. I've come to learn that coffee makers make great gifts, but they have to make a consistent cup of hot coffee. So I found one that has a reasonable price point and makes a great cup of coffee. The Cuisinart DCG-12BC grind central coffee grinder. It's a brewer that has a built-in coffee grinder, so the coffee tastes really fresh. Pre-ground coffee will never taste as good as a fresh grind. So it holds 12 cups of coffee. There's plenty to go around when there's a large crowd. Plus, it looks great. I love the glass carafe. This way you can always know exactly how much coffee you have. And it's programmable, so I know that my friends will be able to have their coffee at their own convenience. It comes with great reviews too, so I know that they'll love it.